Hello and welcome to GearHeads. This is Jesse, and this is going to be a short episode. I'm just going to show you guys one of the stupidest diagnostic problems I've come across so far. Let's just jump right to it. No start on a BMW, by the way. So this is a 2005 BMW X5, and there's the key in it right here. I go to crank it, nothing's going to happen. Now let me pull up my scanner real quick here. So I'm going to pull up and show you some data for the EWS, which is the Immobilizer module on the BMWs. Key identification, key password, key random code, key transmits, status DME wire. So this BMW was setting a code, what is it? I think it was 254F or 2F45. I'll have to put it in the description for you. Anyway, so let's just jump right to it. Key on, I'm going to graph this. Current key, it says number 2, key disabled, no, key identification, okay, but interestingly, key password and key random code, not okay, and down here at status of DME wire, it says blocked. That is causing the code to come up in the engine control module. Now, the first hint you're going to have, and you already saw it if you're paying close attention in the video, is this nice bling bling that this girl decided to add to her steering wheel. Now, if you look down here, you'll see this ring. Let me pull that out, and I'm going to tear this off. Put this key back in here. And now let's look at the data again. Oh, hey, look at that. We got okay, 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 and DME wire enabled. Now, it cranks. Still doesn't start. There's another issue with the car, I believe, but that was causing a no crank, no start. And the biggest reason for this, first off, you should never be putting something like this that covers and blocks the antenna, because there's a small antenna in here that talks to the key, so you should never put something in the way that's going to block it. And secondly, it will still transmit past those. The antenna in here is probably getting weak. It did not work with either key, so it's not one of the keys getting weak. It would have been maybe the antenna in here getting weak. Either way, it's really silly. There's zero reason ever to put some cheap little, fake jewelry on your ignition switch. Well, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I did, because that customer is going to end up paying for an hour of diagnosis time, because I did end up wasting my time a little bit checking for other things first. And then I ended up seeing that and just pulling it off, and voila, worked. So in any case, now I got to finish figuring out why it still doesn't start and go from here. But just keep an eye out for that. If you ever see bling bling like this, go down there and look and see. Maybe your customer jinxed themselves by throwing one of those things on there. I don't even know what they're called. In any case, thanks for watching, guys, and as always, keep wrenching.